Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Lexus and this is Nom to Fitness. Today I have a delicious potato nacho recipe for you, and this recipe is perfect because it includes potatoes, who doesn't love potatoes, and it requires very cheap ingredients, so nothing expensive, things that you most likely have in your pantry and in your fridge anyway, so let's hop right into it. So I'm prepping the cashew sauce. I'm adding 1 cup of raw cashews into a bowl, and I'm pouring some hot boiling water over it to sit aside for about 30 minutes. Now I'm slicing 4 russet potatoes into circles, and I'm seasoning it with about 2 teaspoons of this taco seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And I'm drizzling some oil over the top, and I'm going to bake these potatoes at 425 for about 25 to 35 minutes. And I'm putting some on another sheet pan because I don't want them to be too crowded. You don't want it to steam, you want them to be nice and crispy. While that's baking, I'm preparing the beans. I added 1 can of rinsed and drained black beans into a saucepan, and I'm squeezing in the juice of 1 whole lime. And I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. I'm just giving that a mix. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of salsa. You can use green chilies instead. And I'm just going to let that simmer on low heat until everything is finished. For the cashew cream sauce, I'm adding in 1 cup of the soaked cashews, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a pinch of cayenne pepper, half teaspoon of minced garlic, half teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 3/4 cup of water. Okay, change of scenery because I'm now upstairs in my room, but my parsley fell. Can we just appreciate this beauty? Look at this. Just look at it. I forgot my sriracha, but oh well. Potato nachos. This is delicious. The cashew cream sauce is the star of the show. I'm telling you, it makes this dish amazing. Okay, definitely make those potato nachos because they are amazing. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.